Hello, I'm Jonisha Arvind. I'm a counseling psychologist. This video is about what we can do in this COVID pandemic situation, that is in the second wave. We are currently in second wave. So first thing is prevention. There is a vaccination drive going on, taking the vaccine based on the age limit. Second thing is keeping ourselves more healthy, building up our immunity by taking the right food, avoiding stress, drinking plenty of water. Next important thing is act more responsibly by following the protocols. Social distancing, wearing mask, avoiding public places, crowded places. There are some of us who cannot avoid going outside for work, so we can follow protocols. And those who can stay at home, please stay at home. Avoid going outside. Avoid letting your kids go outside. Act more responsibly. We need to be more responsible at this time. We do not want another third wave. We do not want the virus to get mutated. So we need to act more responsibly at this time. Next is intervention. Suppose if you get the infection or someone in your house get infection, what you can do? First is to stay strong. Avoid fear at any cost, because fear comes under the umbrella of stress. More stress you have, healing mechanism will not work in your body. So first remember this, that there are millions who are recovering. The recovering percentage is more, so it is possible to recover. Take in proper food, plenty of water again, take the medications prescribed by your doctor and quarantine yourself. And one more important thing is, do not neglect or isolate anyone morally or psychologically in your home. This seems to be happening. I'm hearing many cases where people will feel, if they feel neglected or if you instill your fear upon them and isolate them, then it will not be possible for them to recover and they'll feel the stress, right? So avoid it. Avoid fear at any cost. Be more responsible. And one more thing is, keep a plan of, suppose if you get infected and you have to get admitted, which hospital to go to, what are the different list of hospitals, and whom to contact, or who's the corporation personnel you have to contact, or your friend or a family member who could help you out at the situation, your family doctor. Have a list. If you have this plan, you can avoid little bit of this fear inside you. That is more important at this time, to stay out of stress, right? So this is what we can do. Have more patience and perseverance. We are all in this together. We need to act more responsible. Avoid our pleasure-seeking behavior, chilling out, going out, all this we need to avoid, because we do not want this infection to come in a different form. We may be the person who get affected at that time. So act more responsible. So wishing everyone to stay safe and healthy at this time. Thank you.